So in this video, we will talk about string. So string is not a built-in data type; it is a container. So string is not defined as a data type. We have character as a data type. If we want to define the string, then uh, we define character as character array of length n. We, and in memory, it will store as an array of characters, and each string terminated by null character. Okay, and this way can also be defined, and other way to declare a string is this way. But string container provides uh, advantage over the character array. We can simply write, instead of declaring the character array, we can simply write a string and a variable name. So what it will do, it will combine all the characters present in the character array and will represent it as a string. Okay, and string container also contain many functions that are very that makes it better to use, and also provides many operation over it. So let's discuss how we initialize the string and how the functions are defined over the string. Okay, so let's discuss the code. So how we will declare the string. First of all, string is declared by using string keyword, and we write the string variable, that is str. So if we will as this, then it will be declared the empty string. If we will see out the str, then nothing will be printed because str currently is empty string. So see, nothing will be printed. Okay. So if we want to initialize the str value, then we can simply initialize like this. Let's say we initialize it with code anthem, then it string str will be printed as code anthem. Okay, and other way to declare or initialize the string variable is, let's say we have str2, then we can simply initialize like this, and if we will print out s2 strs2, then we will see hello will be print out. Okay, and if we want to declare another string, or I want to copy the string str to new string, then we will declare str3 as str str, and if we will print out str3, str3 will be same as str, that is code anthem. Okay, and yeah, that's it. And we can also make the string by using a character array. If we have the character array, like we have uh, h e l l o, we can simply declare string out of it str4, as we will provide the er as an argument to it, and if we will print out str4, then hello should be print out. Yeah, but there are additional character also printing, because as I discussed before that string is terminated with the null character. So if we will add null character at the end, So hello should be print out, print only. Yeah, hello is printing. If we want to append a string to another string, then we can use the append function. So we have append function. Let's say we want to append str2 to str. So str2 dot append str. Okay. If we will now print str2, then what would be print? So it will print hello code anthem. Okay. Other way to append the string is using plus operator. So we can write it as str2 is equals to str2 plus str. Then also it will append str to str2. So code anthem will be print. And if we want to compare the two strings, then we have compare function. It returns 0 when strings are equals. Strings are equals and greater than 0 when current string is lexicographically lexicographically greater than other string. Similarly, smaller than 0, it will be vice versa. So let's see the compare function. If we want to compare, let's declare another variable s1 as hello, string s2 is hell, and string s3 is equal to s1. So if, we will print cout s1 dot compare s3. So if we know that s1 is equals to s3, both are equals to hello. So if we will compare them, then 0 should be print because 0 would be returned by the compare function. Okay. So we can see 0 will be print out. If we will compare s1 with s2, then we know that s1 is lexicographically greater than s2. So the positive number will be present, print. That is 1. If we will compare s2 with s1, then some negative numbers will be print because s2 is smaller than s2. So negative number would be print. Yeah. Instead of using the compare function, we can also use equals to greater than or smaller than operator. Cout if s1 is greater than s3. Then also it would work fine. See, but now it is s1 is equals to s3. So this condition is true. So that is why they are representing 1. Okay. So we can use if else here. We see if s1 is equals to s3, then cout s1 is equals to s3. See, s1 is equals to s3. Now let's discuss s1 and s3, s2. And now we can use smaller than operator. So S1 is greater than S2. So for this condition to be true, the greater sign should be there. So we see S1 is equals to S3. So we can use operator also. And if we want to find out any word in a string, let's say we have the word here, like uh, let's declare another variable string s4 is equals to hello world. Okay, yeah, hello world. And we want to find out the index where the world is defined in s4. So we can find out the index by using the find function. So we can use find int idx s4 find, and we want to find out the world. So if we will see out the idx, then it will print the index of the world. See 6, and you can simply see 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 5, uh, 6. At the sixth index, hello is world is exist. Okay, and we want to remove the any word from the string, then we can use then we can use remove function. uh, Remove erase function. So let's use erase function. Now we want to erase the word from string s4. So we can write it as s4 dot erase. We will give the index, that is idx, and how many characters we want to remove. World contains 5 characters, so we will pass the length, that is 5. Now if we will print s4, then hello would be print only. See, hello would be print. Okay, we can also find out whether a string is empty or not. For clearing the string or making it empty string, we can use a clear function. Now we want to empty the s4 string. So we can see s4 dot clear. So if we will print length of s4 before clearing and after clearing, then you will get it. Okay. So length before clearing length will be print, and after clearing length will be print. See, before clearing the length of s4 is 6, because here space is also there, because hello space world was the string and we raised the world only, so space is also contained here. So initially six character was present, and after clearing zero characters, zero there are zero characters, that is as far as empty string. To check if it is an empty string, we use empty function. If s4 dot empty, if it is empty, then cout s4 is empty string. See, s4 is empty string. We can also access any character in string by how we can access. Let's define another string as s5, that is hello, and we want to find out the third character in s5. So we can simply write it as s5 third. It is same as array. So we will see L will be print out. L is print out. We can also iterate over the each character in the string by running the loop s5 dot length s5. We see hello is printed. Okay. Other way to iterate over string is we can use for each loop. For each loop, each character will be assigned to ch, and we can simply see out ch. Then also we can iterate over each character in the string. There is another way also. We can use the iterator. How the iterator will be used? We see for we have the iterator it, which will initially start with the beginning of the string. So s4 dot begin, and it will go until it is not reached to the end. It is s5, and we will see out. Then also we can iterate over each character. Okay, and yeah, that's it. These are the main functions of the string. Uh, yeah, that's much only. Yeah, thank you.